just saw the zip. And it wasn't weird.
What's up, boys? We're back with another 2B2T video. I know it's been a million years and it's way past due, but here we are. They come as they come. We can't force them, but here we are with another one. I'll always post shit, I just don't know how long in between each video it's gonna be. But we'll be flying around the boat today, just searching around Spawn and see what we can get into. So boat fly, Spawn, fucking ESP. Let's see what the fuck we do, boys. Well. I had the game up. I had it ready. For some reason I pressed the record button to start recording and the game crashed. So here we are, we're back. Wonder how long the queue is gonna be at this point. Please. 14. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. Well, I guess I guess we're gonna wait this out. God damn. Hopefully I can get in, because it's been doing this shit. I'll throw a picture up. It's been doing this shit where I get down to 1 and it says it can't complete it because of an error or something. I'll have to throw it up. I can't remember exactly what it says, but it's some bullshit because you have to wait the whole fucking time for it to tell you no. And I've paid $20 for priority queue, so it's kind of shitty. This is what it is, though. Please don't fuck me. Please don't fuck me. I don't want to be fucked. Fuck! See? See that down there? That's not what I want to see. That's not what I want to see. So we're gonna back out and try to go back in, I guess. And it's gonna say, you've lost connection to the server. Why? I don't know. Because it's fucking stupid. Round 2. Fight. We are position 2 in queue. You have lost connection to the server. Why? 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 Why does it? You have lost connection to the server. Motherfucker, I ain't even got into the goddamn server. Round 3. Can we get in? We are in. We are in. Don't go. Don't. Let's crash to the ground. I will get out of the boat. I don't care. I will take the fall damage. Why did it turn my fucking hacks off? I don't know. Let's see. ESP. We are in, though. We are in. Storages. We are still recording, and we are in. Dude, it's hell. It's hell trying to get in this bitch right now. Let's get my boat back and I'll put it in water so we can start off. Give me my boat. What's the TPS? 12? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Alright, let's get in this water. Let's turn my hacks on. Boom. We got... Make sure I got these settings right. Let's make sure I got these settings right. Hover exploit strict. Turn that to strict. Turn remount on. Hover on. Fix y'all on. Let's put that on. Entity speed. Because you have to have both on for this to even work. 3.8. Entity speed. Boat fly on. And now we should. Hey. Let me get F5 for you. Alright, let's go on our way. Which way are we going? Let's just go out towards 100K, see what we can find along the way. You know? We gotta let these... See, this is 2B right here, you know? This is what it's all about. Flying around in boats and doing shit you're not supposed to. Got some old chunks right here. Looking for that goddamn that water chest to pop up. That's what we want. We want to see that big old water chest, like your girl at the big old chests. I'm trying to see them double chests, baby. We got old beaches right there. Looks like. What is this? Interesting. Let's hop out. Boop. Boop. Let's hop out. Nothing. Now if we find an extra boat, I'm gonna take it. But nothing in there, was there? It's a furnace. No. Alright, and we are off. Off like a herd of turtles, baby. Now, I know some of my viewers don't play on 2B and they might not know what it is, so if there's any questions, because I know this shit can, it looks a little odd probably to someone that's not used to it, you know, throw them in the comments down below and I'll be able to answer a few for you. What is this? That's an odd chunk of air now, isn't it? You love to see it though. Sometimes I like to follow these because you never know what you're going to come across. A little farm over there with no chest or anything. We're only stopping if it's a build that needs to be explored, or we got I mean, that's not really worth it, I wouldn't say. I mean, we can check it. Fuck it, we can check it. Let me eat a gapple real quick. It's pretty high up. Whee! Whee! How fun. Alright, I gotta get out of that mode. Out of that mode. Fuck that shit. Somebody thought that was nice or something. Let me get my boat back. Get my boat back, man. Come on, man. Give me my boat back, man. Man, I went back and played this shit on PS3 the last few days. Just, that's an old Portal right there. But yeah, I played this shit on PS3 the other day just to get a platinum trophy because it's too fucking easy not to. But God, the controls on their ass. And the map size is only the size of a map, actual map. Like the maps that you see on here, the actual size. What do we got here? 2015. I mean, by the looks of that portal over there, shit, it's probably right. I believe it. Sometimes you see these and you're like, eh, come on now. But I actually believe that. I actually believe it. Let's find us some better water to go. What are y'all doing over there? Eating? I swear my animals make the most noise when I'm making a video. Other than that, they be doing nothing all day. As soon as I go to make a video, them bitches is all over the place. Alright, let's get up in here. Let's go on the way. Let's try not to go up so high if we ain't got to. Here, let's get... I cannot... Okay. I'm digging it. Oh, right here we got a little path of chunk air going through here. Somebody must have flew through this bitch a long time ago and barely loaded it for it to be like that. Honestly. And this over here, you got a little chunk air of new ocean and then 2 old oceans on the side. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, somebody loaded this shit pretty wild. Let's say, where does this go to? Where are we at? Oh, we're on 30,000 line. I got you. 30K. Sometimes you get a highway, you know, every random like 10,000 blocks, so you might come across the highway if somebody's gotten bored enough to sit there and place the shit. What's this? Oh, 10K. Okay. What does that say? Probably something that I shouldn't read on stream. So this is the 10K highway out at 30K. We just did that 10K highway video. So this extends out another 20,000 blocks in one direction, and this is where you end up at. It's a huge map, by the way. 60 million by 60 million. 30 million each direction. So, I mean, yeah, it'd take you a long ass time to get to the end without hacks and cheats and exploits. So it looks like we got some stuff going on over here. What we got over here? We got us a farm. This looks like an old. What we got over here? A chest tower. I wonder if there's anything in those actually, or if they're just there. Let me load some more of this and we'll hop off and see what we got here. Oh shit, what is this? It's grief to shit. But it's something. Let's hop off and see what it is. I think I got enough of it loaded in. Damn. So we'll leave the boat over here. Ooh. Hop off, baby. Don't turn up the lag, which will fall faster. The boat or me, the boat. Hey, we got another boat over here. Let's take that. God, I hate that view if I'm not. What is this? Stolen from a base nearby. Okay. Do you feel happy about yourself? What's this? Replanted for the next player that comes along. Thank you. Swartator. Thanks for the stuff, man. We got a flower. How fucking sweet. What is in here? Is there anything in here? There's a fucking ladder going down. Let's see. F to all the fallen travelers leaving the spawn region. Does that say region? Yeah. The strongest don't line up like... What? The strongest don't line up like? Am I retarded? Does that mean something? Huh. Interesting. What are these? Oh, that's just where they are doing their crops. Let's go peek out one of these chests over here. Just see. I don't want to waste too much time here because it's all grief to shit. But I want to go see what that is over there. And I want to see what these are talking about. I mean, it's a lot of chests. The only reason I'm even checking them is because they're double chests. I mean, let's take this boat right here too. Boop. Give me that. Alright. Nothing. I'm gonna assume that they're all nothing. There's nothing inside any of them. I mean, I take your word for it. I don't need to look that hard. I'm not gonna go through every single one of those. Let's get back on our boat and fly over there to that place and see what it is. So is this, I'm assuming with all the terracotta around it, this is the base that he's talking about. Okay. Cool guy. Alright, you got some terracotta, cool. Don't know why you give a fuck, but it is what it is. Let's keep it rolling. It's a little odd. The real question is it a dungeon? No, it's not a dungeon. But is it garbage? Yeah, it's garbage. It's definitely hot garbage. Hot garbage. I don't know what the hell this is about. Somebody thought they were slick. I don't know. It's hot garbage. It's not anything. And we are off. Somebody die right here. God damn it, did somebody die right here? Drop down! Jump down! God damn it. Jump down. What is this? Somebody did die. Either that or they just ditched all their shit. But it's garbage. It's hot garbage. It's bad. It's not good. Let's take their boat. Maybe we'll have better luck. Maybe we'll have better luck coming across something. How many people we got? 11 TPS? That's not too bad. As long as we're not loading new chunks. We got an Elytra tower? Elytra tower? God damn. The boy went fucking straight hood rat for a second. We got ourselves a Elytra tower. What's up, boy? We got ooh. Where are we on a certain road? We're not. I wonder where this goes. I wonder. Let's follow this. Follow the cobble brick road, baby. I want to go back towards for a minute because I don't want to go out and it be right. You never know. You could go back that way and fucking go forever. You can go this way and go forever. What is this highway for? I don't understand. I mean, it's dope. I'm gonna be real, it's dope. I like good highways, you know, that have good infrastructure. It's a nice little highway right here. I dig it. We got ourselves a mushroom island with some stuff. It looks like there's a little tiny base here. How cute. We got ourselves a little farm. A little fucking farm. Let's hop off. Go check that one single chest, because it doesn't look like anybody's been here. It doesn't look like they have much. Come on, let me out. Whee! And we're falling. And we're falling. And my boat's falling. And I'm changing the camera. How do I use baritone? Someone says in the chat. Well, hope you figure it out, buddy. There's gonna be nothing in this chest, let's be honest. Told you. There's a nice little pond over here, I guess. It's alright. It's kind of, actually, it's kind of shitty. It's actually kind of shitty. It's not that good. It's not that great, if I'm being honest. Let's get back to the boat and follow this road. This highway, the gray brick road, if you will. Alright. Where are you taking us? Where are you taking us? Boat or road? I know where the boat's taking us, wherever the fuck I want to go. But this, the fact that it's not griefed at all is there's actually a spot taken out of it. Looks like a lot of people have dug up or towered up to it just to see what it is. I'm assuming. I'm hoping this doesn't take me all the way back to fucking spawn, because if it does, I might be a little upset. You guys will know, because if there's a jump edit in this video, then chances are it goes to the main axis. Let's go back. I don't want to go back towards spawn. We're going away from spawn. I thought it was going to be something a little closer. This might just be a random highway at a random number that means something for somebody, but I don't know why. Some freaking guy in chat. Any single girls want a VC? 18 plus only, please. Yes, I'm a guy. What the fuck are you? You gotta be a troll. There's no way you're looking for girls on this motherfucker, bro. There ain't no fucking girls on here. Oh, it looks like it ends right here. Somebody got tired of building the goddamn thing, it looks like. It's just a single... You know when you get to the point where you see just a single block wide highway from like a 3 or 4 block wide highway? Usually it ends, but it looks like somebody just started again right here for some reason. It's very strange. This highway just keeps getting weirder and weirder. And the end. We'll go up a little bit further, see if there's anything up here, but I think that's it. Weird random highway, but I'm not complaining. I like finding highways on here. Little roads and shit people build. Little paths. That's the beauty of 2B, man. Sometimes when you play Minecraft for so long, you start feeling like you're just bored and alone in a giant world. 2B, there's a shitload of people, and this is only to the H's. So, I mean, and then there's lowercase after that, so there's a lot of people that play on here. Come on, baby. Give me something sweet. Daddy's got a sweet tooth. Give me something sweet. Come on. Daddy's got a sweet tooth. We got a mushroom island over here. It's always a good sign. Boy, these oceans ain't no joke, I tell you what. You get stuck in these bitches, you in that shit for a minute. You get a little bit of land and then you get over and someone else has already rendered this shit and it's old oceans again. It's ugly. It's ugly out here. Ugly out here in these 2B streets. The hacker boys. What we got? Is that just a village? Yeah. Been raided already. See, we're fucking 50,000 blocks out from spawn, where everybody spawns in at. 50,000 blocks out. Which might seem like a lot to you if you don't play here. It's really not. It's not a lot at all. Let's take a second. Let's pray to the 2B gods. Dear 2B2T Overlord, guide me to the big chests. The big chest. The big titty chest. Show me the way. I'm not gonna think about it, I'm just gonna go. Old oceans. We are back in the old oceans. Oh god. I can't see anything. Where am I at? Oh my god. I disappeared for so long. Is this a new chunk or something? Come on. Load for me. Load for me. Oh god. I think the server just died. Server just died. Server just died. God damn, how long did we get? 44 minutes, that's not too bad. Server died. Server dead. Come on, brother. Chat's going in right now. Hey, are we back? Are we back? Oh, behold. Dude, the sky, literally it was sunset and it just shot back to fucking afternoon. What the fuck? That was a ginormous fucking lag spike, bro. What the hell? That's fucking ridiculous. Maybe we can find something before it kicks us off this bitch. Oh god. Will make me nervous every time. What we got down here? What is that? Just obsidian and pink wool and trash. Well, that's what it looks like. Like I said, ask no questions. Oh yeah, we gotta let the server gods guide us. Right after I did that, the fucking server almost died. Maybe I shouldn't do that. See, the sky was like this a second ago, and then it just popped back. God damn, old psoriasis, boys. God damn, it itches so much. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Hello? Am I fucked? Am I fucked? I think I might be fucked. Look at the sky, dude. Holy shit, look at the sky. It's pulsating. What the fuck is going on? What is going on right now? Any single girls want a VC? 18 plus only, please. God damn. Well, no one else is talking in chat about the server being ass fucked right now, so I was just getting dark. It wasn't pulsating. I'm just fucked. Server not responding. Ugly. Well, god damn. If anybody gets motion sickness easily, now is the time where you look away. God damn it, now is the time where I scratch my psoriasis. Fuck. God damn. Hey, we're back. And I'm not going crazy. Holy shit. Did that happen to everybody or just me? Or is it just me? I keep saying we're going a certain direction. Honestly, we're not. we're just going wherever the fuck our little hearts takes us. Because right now we were going out. Now I'm kind of cutting back towards the main axis. You know, it doesn't matter. There's shit everywhere, so it's like there's a certain place you have to go to find it. You just go one direction, you get a little bit bored, and then you cut the other direction. You know. Hopefully we don't get lagged out. Look at this tree. It's two colors. Where it's right on the border. Is this supposed to be a mushroom island as well? No, it is actually a jungle. And this is wrong one. Swampland. So yeah, these are right. It's just the colors and biomes. We're gonna find something, boys. Like, I got a feeling. I got a feeling. I got a feeling, baby. We're gonna find something. And I'm aware that now that I say that, if we find something, it's gonna look really rigged. But I'm just flying around. I don't even know where the fuck I'm at or where I have been. We got little towers and shit everywhere. So here we are, like motherfucking 60, 70 blocks out, 70,000 blocks out. And still got a lot of player activity, so we can definitely find something out here. It's not out of the possibility. I have a feeling we're gonna come across something. Should we check this? Something in the water. Come on, little drop daddy. Nice and softly. Let me up. Let me up. It is a fishing rod and a bunch of trash and a bow. So this is someone's fishing hole, I'm assuming. This is someone's little fucking shitty fishing. That's an old ass fucking portal though. Fucking nice. My first alpha portal. Yeah. You see those every once in a while. Let's get back on our boats. And we're off. Like a herd of fucking turtles. Ocean Monument. Highway. What road is this? Is this nothing, right? This is nothing. 11. Let's see where it goes. It's 11,000, which is a little strange. Like I said, sometimes people just make weird ass roads just to make them. And this is it's kind of shitty little road, if I'm being honest, and it doesn't look like it's going to a certain place. But we haven't found anything else really, so let's follow it. God damn it. It's just not wanting to load, boys. Fish ain't biting today, boys. Fish ain't biting today. You know it? Well, these trees have been fucked. The fish ain't biting today, boys. Well, goddamn, here we go. There's a fire right here. Somebody decided to burn this bitch down for some reason or another. Fuck that village up, boy. Fuck them. Fuck them. Fuck them up. Alright, so this is looking a little assy over here. Oh, fuck. Is it not want to load again? Yeah, dude. No chunks are loading. No chunks are loading. Fuck, dude. I hate that. Wait, am I gone? I don't even see myself anymore at this point. Here I am. So I'm only showing up over here because I think this is where I was at when I started lagging. So yeah, when I go over here, I disappear. It's crazy how bad it lags when it's only at 11, dude. What are they doing? Because back in the day, it used to get down to like 1. There were times where it was 1 and you were still able to technically move, it would just be shitty as hell. God damn, boys. I'm gonna check it. If it, yeah. 9. Might have to call it, boys. Might have to call it. It's been a night, but I didn't really get to find much, man. The fucking TPS has been complete ass the whole time. I don't know if it's just people fucking flying around on their boats or if it's fucking someone lagging the goddamn server. Either way, it's fucked. I don't like it. But that's what they do it for. To hear me complain. Not just me, but everybody. It's a little, just part of the experience. I guess we're gonna call it, boys. As much as I don't want to, I think we're gonna call it. I'll try to be back with another stream or something. Bye, boys.